He found a bowl of honey sitting on the road and decided to eat it as a snack. And the other soldiers found more, and they did the same thing. But soon after, they started vomiting and got terrible diarrhea. They even acted drunk, barely able to stand. You see, the bees in that area collected nectar from poisonous flowers, which transferred into the honey. And the enemy knew this. So he collected the honey before leaving it out to make the soldiers sick. And once they were weak, the army attacked, killing hundreds of confused men and winning the battle, all thanks to the honey.